Welcome to WorkSmart Hub. Today we are tackling the task of combining multiple Excel or CSV files into one. Here's a folder called Data. In this folder we have a list of files relating to each day. Here's the first file opened. Each file has same column headers. We want all the files combined into one. Instead of copying data from each file into one, which is tiring and hectic job, we introduce Python automation using ChatGPT to automate this process. With Python, this process becomes incredibly simple and efficient. Don't forget to like, and for more Python and Excel tutorials, subscribe to WorkSmart Hub. Click the bell icon so you don't miss any exciting new videos. Your suggestions and compliments are welcomed in the comments. Follow along as we demonstrate how to use Python to merge data files effortlessly. Let's ask ChatGPT to create us a Python code. We have a prompt like this. Don't forget to mention the file type like CSV or XLSX and folder name in which the files are placed. We got this response. Copy the code. In the main folder, we'll create a new code by right-clicking and click Open with Code. It will open VS Code. If you don't have Python and Visual Studio Code, then click the link in the description which demonstrates how to install both. In VS Code, if it asks, click Yes, I trust the authors. Open a new file, Control N, or File, New File. Select Python as language when asked. Paste the code. Run the code by clicking Run and Debug or simply press F5. It will ask to save the code and select the code type as Python and save the code in the main folder by giving it a name like Code Combine Files. Code will start running. You can see here. Once it's complete, it will show the folder location. Go to the main folder and you can see a newly created Excel file. Let's open it, and here you can see in the first column it shows all the dates, and here at the end of data you can see we have 14,000 rows. With Python you can save time and streamline your data consolidation process. Next time you add more files to the data folder, all you need to do is to open this code, press F5 or click Run and Debug, and your data will update or include the new files in a blink of eye. If you want to create a standalone .exe file of the code, then you can find the video link in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it thumbs up. You can find the data files used in the example and related videos in the description below. See you soon.